I hope you're ashamed of yourself. You should be. It's 70 degrees out. You have bunny boots on.
Yo, yo, yo. Alright, it's time for a quick update about what's going on. But before I get started, I want to congratulate Ricky Monday, Poetic, and Tom Zebra about their successful court case going on where they got ticketed for some weird stuff while filming a refinery. It was something about dealing with a blocked road or something like that. You can go ahead and tune into their respective channels and get an idea what's going on there. To continue on with what's going on, okay. The arraignment happened already. It was on Tuesday. And the pretty much gist of it is that the charges are class C misdemeanors. So, I do not get a public attorney or anything like that, so I literally am going to have to fight this on my own. For the most part, I am looking at about a year probation and some sort of fine. I'm waiting on the transcribes to come back to me so this way I have it offhand kind of thing. But it's pretty much a year probation for each citation. There is potential for 30 days jail time for each citation, but the thing is they're not pursuing it from what the prosecuting attorney has said. So, pretty much at this point, the next trial date where I go in and actually plead my case and all that stuff is happening October 7th at 2 o'clock. So, I get to go back in. I'm not sure how this is all going to turn out, but it should be quite interesting considering what their charges are pending on from what I'm seeing. I'm waiting on discovery paperwork along with an actual court docket number. I plan on requesting that I'll be allowed to bring in a camera to record the proceedings. So this way you guys will be able to quickly see what happened that day kind of thing. So hopefully I can have it up and going. I'm not sure if we're going to get this done in one day or not. Probably will be considering what they're just trying to get me on and how little evidence they have on their side, you can sort of say. Now, they did try to get me to plea out before trial kind of thing, where they said, hey, if you plead guilty on one of these charges, we'll drop the other one kind of thing. But I told her, the prosecuting attorney, that I'm not going to plea out on this. I am going to fight him. So that's what's going on that area. Right after the court case, I end up going over to an attorney's office. I've been digging through various kinds of attorneys, just literally going through an entire list and seeing what they cover. I found one that sort of covers what possibly would help me, and the attorney's firm was called Pope and Catcher. And the reason why I'm saying name them off is because, granted, they couldn't help me on this case specifically because the person that would be interested, Attorney Pope there, he is going to be out of country during this time frame, so I couldn't get him to help me on that. But their secretary was very helpful. She gave me a list of people to contact. I just haven't had a chance to get around to contacting anybody on the list to see if I can locate possibly an attorney that will help me out with this case. But as I said, it looks like I'm going to be going at this alone for the time being. And to move on, I have to say this was very unexpected. The deal with the J-Bar video actually brought in huge amounts of traffic and subscribers, which blows my mind at this point. And I have surpassed the 1,000 subscriber mark. Now, I got a nice little congratulations from the network I'm signed with for helping me out with YouTube stuff. And so, pretty much, an obligation for like almost any kind of YouTube channel where they hit that mark, they do something to reward the people that are subscribing and all that stuff. And I was thinking possibly of releasing the video of where the intro came from. Now, I want your guys' opinion. Do you want that, or do you want some other specialty video kind of thing for a celebration of the 1,000 subscriber mark, which we blew by like almost 300 people, it looks like, at this point. So go ahead and post your comments on what kind of idea you want for a celebration kind of thing for that kind of video. As I said, that's my idea, is if you guys really want to, I'll just post the raw video footage from how the title came to be. And lastly, I want to thank all those people that have donated to the Defense Fund or donated to the channel in general to help me out with the current situation going on. So thank you. I ended up getting donations from locations I didn't expect. Live leak there. So that just blew my mind. What kind of people are on Live Leak, despite the trolly comments and all that stuff, and the people raging. I have to say that community is quite generous when it comes to donations. When people really want to support you and that kind of stuff. So I am giving a kudos to them. So that pretty much wraps it up. I've been busy actually gathering evidence on my side, sending out emails to try to get a hold of like witnesses I could possibly use to for my defense. Carlos, yeah. So hopefully they'll respond back with a favorable thing, saying, "Hey, yeah, I'll help you out," kind of thing for defense on that part. So thanks, guys, for the support. I'll try to produce some newer content. I was going to try to produce another video on Tuesday. Unfortunately, the target facility / building that I went to go and try to film, everybody pretty much had left at that point. I got there too late, but that was because I was in court and was talking with the attorney's office, and just by the time I managed to get by there, everybody was already gone out the door. So hopefully I can catch my target on a different day where they're there, and we'll see how they react to a First Amendment test. I think you guys will probably enjoy it if they do come out and react. So that's a warning to them. So good luck, guys, and talk to you later.
Turn the fucking whisper down.
You're a public official, correct?
You want to call FPS or you want me to, Bruce?